Home sales in parts of the East Bay are starting to cool, which could mean changes are coming. I'm David Stark, and welcome to the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. We're going to start this month's weather report with a big picture of the entire East Bay to show the seasonal nature of real estate. Home buyers in the East Bay had a lot more choices during July compared to the last several months. Price drops from June to July in central Contra Costa County helped pull the East Bay median sales price down for the first time in almost a year. While there were more homes on the market during July, home sales dropped compared with June. Home buyers are still enthusiastic. A home was on the market in the East Bay an average of just 14 days during July. Let's see what's happening locally, starting with the 880 corridor. Homes for sale. More choices in most communities compared to last July. Hayward and San Leandro both up more than 30%. But inventory down in Berkeley, 20%, and Fremont, 75 homes for sale, down 40%. Prices up everywhere. Albany, 1.5 up more than 40%. Castro Valley, more than 1.3 up more than 37%. Fremont, Hayward, Oakland, each up more than 20%. Union City, 1.3 up 45%. Sales still strong. Yes, Hayward down 3 units and San Lorenzo drops 1 unit. Up everywhere else. Newark, 43 sold, up more than 80%. Oakland, 318 sold, up 30%. Union City, 41 sold, more than double than last July. Now we're going to check out West Contra Costa County, where conditions are similar. Homes for sale. Yes, more choices in El Cerrito and San Pablo, but double-digit homes for sale in El Sobrante, Hercules, and Pinole. Prices, West Contra Costa is in high demand. El Cerrito solidly in the $1 million range. Hercules, $960 up more than 40%. Richmond, $755 up more than 20%. Sales, busy. El Sobrante and Hercules both down. Pinole, 19 sold, up 90%. Richmond, 82 sold, up more than 80%. Now we'll go to central Contra Costa County. Homes for sale, mixed. Increases in Clayton, Concord, and Pleasant Hill. Fewer choices in Martinez and Walnut Creek, 30 for sale, down 40%. Prices. Yes, compared with June, prices are down a bit. However, year-to-year prices way up almost everywhere. Clayton more than $1.2 million. Martinez up almost 30%. Walnut Creek more than $1.5 million, up more than 20%. Sales, mixed. Clayton and Pleasant Hill both down a few homes. Concord, 144 sold, up 30%. Martinez and Walnut Creek both up as well. The 3 La Marinda communities are up next. Homes for sale, very mixed. Lafayette, 36, no change, while Moraga up more than 20% and Orinda down more than 20%. Prices, all 3 communities at or close to $2 million. Moraga up 27% from last July. Sales, also mixed and tracking inventory trends. Lafayette, no change. Moraga up and Orinda down 17%. Low inventory and high prices were definitely felt in the Tri-Valley area. Homes for sale. A few more homes on the market in Dublin and Livermore, but inventory down everywhere else. Danville, 48 for sale, down almost 40%. Pleasanton and San Ramon both down more than 25%. Prices. Alamo and Danville were still in the $2 million range. Dublin, Pleasanton, and San Ramon both more than $1.5 million and all up more than 30%. Sales, parts of the Tri-Valley cooled a bit during July. Sales dropped in Danville, Livermore, Pleasanton, and San Ramon. We're going to wrap things up in the Delta, where market conditions are changing as well. Homes for sale, mixed. More inventory in Antioch, Oakley, and Pittsburgh. Fewer choices in Brentwood and Discovery Bay. Prices up everywhere. Oakley, $700,000 up more than 30% from last July. Sales, more cooling in the Delta. Sales up slightly in Antioch, but down everywhere else. Buyer fatigue, fewer choices, the seasonal nature of real estate. July could be a pivotal month in real estate activity this year. Stay healthy. We'll see you next month.